Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 10th of September 2021. ECB tapering, a rapidly slowing UK economy, the huge miss for US consumer credit expectations, or El Salvador becoming the first nation to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. You can take your pick for the pickup in markets volatility this week, or maybe the lead dog US stock market was to blame. As this chart, courtesy of Deutsche Bank, shows that 7 of the 11 sectors within the S&P 500 index are 10% to 85% above their average P/E ratios since 1995, with the real estate sector massively overvalued. A further 3 sectors are at their 25-year average, leaving energy as the only one at a discount to its historical norm. Either way, this column prefers to be guided on its publisher's traffic light timing solution, which you can check out via the link. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the sovereign bond yields and commodities covered. Whilst the cryptocurrencies were lower across the board, led by Doge's 19% slide. Meanwhile, the regional coverage expands on the US consumer credit big miss. The UK trade numbers, in particular with Europe, and out east, Japan's Q221 GDP. Former Fed Chair, now Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is warning lawmakers to raise or extend the suspension of the debt ceiling, else the budget pot runs dry in October. The U.S. debt ceiling was $22 trillion in August 2019, according to the inappropriately named Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget, and if lifted would jump to $28.5 trillion. It's worth a glance at the most watched debt instrument on the planet, the U.S. 30-year Treasury yield, for clues to the likely outcome to both the debt ceiling and for market interest rates. There is more for subscribers. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A 1-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.